In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could fix Roblox connection errors and connection problems. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do is select this little search bar down on your PC and type in run just like so and hit enter. In the box that appears, go ahead and type in %local app data % and then go ahead and hit enter to open it up or hit OK. And in the folder that opens, just scroll down until you see the Roblox folder on here. And once you do find that Roblox folder, go ahead and open it and then hit Control A to select everything and then choose delete just like so. Once that's done, close the folder and check to see if Roblox is now working for you. If the issue isn't fixed, just make sure you're not using a VPN. If you are using a third-party VPN app, make sure it is fully disconnected as well, because this will make Roblox not work. And also what I would do is type in this little search bar right here, view network connections, and open it up and find whatever connection you're using, whether it's Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and then double click it. I'm using Ethernet right now, so that's what I'm opening up. From here, select properties, and in the properties option right here, you're going to want to go ahead and find your Internet Protocol version 4, which is going to be that IPv4 option. Go ahead and select it, and then from here, just double click it and use the following IP address and just type in for the preferred DNS down here, 8.8.8.8, and then for the alternate DNS, go ahead and type in 8.8.4.4. Go ahead and hit OK, and then back out of this option, and that should now fix Roblox for you. If you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.